Welcome to Not 100% Accurate, Episode 9, How to Build a Star Wars Binoculars, Part 3. And Part 2, I'll tell you I was going to prime it, and I did prime it. That's what it looks primed so far. I use gray primer from a certain store that I buy the primers real cheap. I think it looks good. I plan to paint it more different colors. And I'll show you the next video how it looks. But I finished painting it, and that's what it looks like, prime. And so far, it's coming out so good. Now, I said I was going to show you another one that I did, but right now, I can't find it because I got everything in different boxes. Well, I will show you that video that had lights in and lights up. But I'm going to show you a different one that my friend gave back to me. Just this recorder, it's his. I got to get back to him. I used his old camera that didn't work. If you know what kind of camera this is, one of the cameras that you put, it opens up still here. You put the film here, but it's broken. So he took all this stuff out. He screwed it back in. He said he wanted me to make him a Star Wars player. Still locks and unopens. This is the thing that opens up. He planned to make a film and use it in the film. I can't wait till he does that. This is the top of it. I ain't putting that too many greeblies on there, but he likes it. So I put a juice lid on here. This is from dish soap. When you watch dishes, and I took that. It looks interesting to me. It looks like what a droid connects to. And that's a random electronic piece from something. I can't remember where I got it from. But when I take electronics apart, and you put to look through there. You still can look through there. And I put on. He gave me everything, so I put this on for him. So this is Not 100% Accurate. Episode 9, How to Build a Star Wars Binoculars. Episode 10, I will show you the paint job I would do for this. Hopefully find the other one that I have. Give me some likes, share my videos, and leave me some comments and what could I do better. This is J13, and I'm out.